my friends. Today it is Wednesday and I don't have to go into uni today, which is amazing. But I've decided that I'm gonna film a Get Productive With Me video. You guys seem to love these videos and I love them too because I get so much done. I have a very long to-do list today and I'm very excited to start working through it and get stuff done. Let me run through my little, not really little, let me run through my to-do list today and we can check it off together. I want to go to the gym. I need to watch a lecture. I need to do some research. I need to do some study. I need to vacuum the house and I also want to clean the kitchen. I also want to clean out my car and vacuum that. I also need to put all of those clothes away that are sitting on my dresser there that I took off the line yesterday. I also have a video that I need to finish editing and also make the thumbnail and also schedule it. I want to repot one of the plants that I have and there's a reading that I need to complete. So that's my day today. I'm going to try and start off by smashing out all of my uni work because I would prefer to get that done in the morning. So I'm going to eat my breakfast and chill out and then I'm going to get started on uni work and then move on with the rest of my day. So let's go. So it is now almost 11 AM and I finished doing the research that I needed to do and I also went through the lecture that I needed to go through. I also did want to get some study done this morning, but I think I'm gonna have to just push that to this afternoon because I want to go to the gym before it gets really busy and it's really empty in the middle of the day, like 11, 12, 1. So if I am home all day, then that's the time that I would prefer to go. So I'm gonna go get ready for the gym, I'm gonna go do that and then come back and keep working, get some cleaning done, tick off the other things on my to-do list. Have some lunch also, because I'm starting to get hungry, but I do not want to eat before I go to the gym, otherwise I will feel sick. This is my little gym outfit of the day. It's a little matching set from White Fox Boutique. I'm also just gonna put my little white tank top over the top. This is a little white shirt that I have and I wear it probably at least twice a week because it's my favorite workout top. It's literally from Big W, which is insane, but I don't think they have it anymore because I got it so long ago. But I love it because of the back, how it opens up in that little diamond and then you can see the back of a sports bra, which is super cool. But I'm gonna go to the gym, so excited. Gym is done. Let's go home. So I had a shower, as you guys saw, and now my hair is super crazy, but I've just been doing some YouTube work and now I'm going to vacuum the house. I'm just gonna give it a really quick vacuum. We have a house inspection next Friday. Today is Wednesday. So obviously we'll do a really deep clean for that, but I just wanted to make it a little bit easier for us for next week by doing a little bit of a vacuum now. So it's just a quick one, but I think it'll still make the house look a lot better. So let's go. Now I'm gonna clean out my car and vacuum it, and then I'm gonna clean the kitchen, and I think that's all of the cleaning that I have to do today. But I just drove my car into the carport or garage, whatever you want to call it. This is my little baby. It's just a lot easier to clean my car in here, but usually Skate and Georgia are parked in here. Izzy's home. But yeah, it's just a lot easier to clean it here, so that's what I'm gonna do. My car is now clean Everything's wiped down, looks so much better than before. Back seat is clean as well, yay! So I finished my reading and I think that's everything that I had to do on my to-do list. I also did repot my peperomia that I needed to repot, so that's done as well. I've just been chilling in bed because I finished everything I needed to do, which is great. And I'm about to go make myself some dinner. It is almost 6 p.m. and then I'm gonna head off to Bible study. So I hope you guys did enjoy this really productive day. It really helped me to be productive and get stuff done, so hopefully it gives you guys some sort of motivation. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
I just had to let you know you're mine.